All right, so taking a look at first example, we have 3 is greater than 2x minus 5. And we would start solving this exactly the same way we would with an equation. I'm going to draw a line because I know it helps a lot of you. So the first thing we need to do is add 5 to both sides of this inequality. Now, the minus 5 and the plus 5, these two are going to add to 0 or cancel each other out. And then we have 3 plus 5, and that's going to become 8. And 8 is still greater than 2x. Oops. Our next and final step for solving is going to be dividing both sides by 2. The 2's, of course, will divide to 1 or cancel each other out. And then we have 8 divided by 2 is going to give us 4 is greater than x. So like we just talked about, now we're going to need to use the symmetric property to turn this around so the x is on the left-hand side. So we're going to write this as x is, now instead of using the greater than symbol, the alligator still is going to want to eat the 4, for some of you, and so we have x is less than 4. And now it's set up for us to graph. So again, we graph it by writing the 4 in the middle of our number line, values lower than 4 to the left, values greater than 4 to the right, putting a circle above 4, and then covering all of the values that are less than 4, or following the arrow. And a new step for us is going to be checking one of our solutions, because any number from this side of the line is, any number from over here is a possible solution now. So we can pick any number and check to see if it works. So I'm going to actually check 2 different solutions. Let's say our first one, we will pick, let's check 3. So putting it right back into our original inequality, we have 3 is greater than 2 times 3 minus 5. 2 times 3 is 6 minus 5, and we're still saying that 3 is greater than that. 6 minus 5 is going to become 1, and 3 is greater than 1. This works, so 3 is a solution. That works out fine for us. And we can go ahead and check. I want to see if I want to see what happens when we actually plug in 4, since now we're just talking about greater than, not greater than or equal to. So let's see. Give ourselves a new color. All right, so let's say 3, and again we're checking it in our original inequality. So 3 is greater than 2 times 4 minus 5. 2 times 4 is 8 minus 5. That's going to give us 3. Is 3 greater than 3? Nope. So this number is not a solution to this inequality. So we'd have to reject this one. And the same thing, something similar would happen if we checked numbers like 5, 6, and 7. Let's take a look